Hey guys, today you will be working on exploring the characters and the settings that are in your short story. You will need to have your packet with you. If you don't have it, pause the video and go run and get it. So on the packet, it we are looking at page 594. Okay, my boxes are pretty much the same as what you have on there. Okay, I just want you to highlight 1, 2, and 3. You can highlight just the numbers. Okay, you need to list details about your characters. That means the people or the animals in your story. Okay, you're going to think about their appearance. You can ask yourself, like, what do their features, their hairstyle, clothes, and movements look like? This is so you can build a picture for your reader. Okay, and you can just click over here in the brainstorm box and you can start typing. I have each one of you have a separate copy of this, so don't worry, it'll all show up differently. You won't be changing mine or each other's. Now, you do not have to answer every single one of these questions in here. Like, look at actions. It says, does this character tell stories, climb trees, help others? Okay, put in the actions that your character will do. Okay, you don't necessarily have to answer those exact questions. Same with thoughts and feelings. Okay, do they love school? Do they worry about clothes? Do they have anxiety? Okay, put those things over there in your brainstorm. Now, I want you to take your time. We are going to be using to fill out our character development sheet that we will do later, which is what is going to help us when we actually start writing our story. Okay, make sure you also do their interests. We want an entire 3D character. I do not want to read about some boring person, okay? Make sure that you give them enough interesting things. Okay, then we have detail, or number 2, it says list details about your setting. Where does your story take place? Is it in the country? Is it in the city? Maybe you want your story to take place on a farm or at the school. Okay, these are things that you will want to ask yourself. Okay, then we have your time. Is it set in the present, in the past, in the future? Is it a daytime, nighttime, or does it take place throughout all different times? Okay, you might have quite a lengthy list. It is also okay if you don't, but you need to have a well-developed setting. Okay, remember when you are reading or your readers are reading your story, you don't want some boring thing that they can't even picture. Okay, it's a school. Well, what kind of school? Is it long? Is it large? Is it a multi-building campus? Okay. Is it just a small one-room schoolhouse? Make sure you paint a picture with your words. And then don't forget about number 3 down here. Add the details about story events that are suggested by your character and their setting ideas. So if you have that they are living on a farm, okay, I want you to put things in there like, there's tractors all over the place. They have a barn. They have a silo. If you are having it in a setting like with animals, your other details about them are they have soft, furry fur. It's like silk. Okay, I want this well thought out and well written about. Okay, because when we get there, we're going to use this as our guide. All right, so you guys can go on ahead and get started. Remember, brainstorm, think deeply, and try and get all the bases covered. I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.